So we all know that Arkin Salaman, secretary to the 75 stage of your hearing, is willing to take all of the risks, willing to take all the risks for the sake of love.
Okay, so do we agree?
Yes.
So any questions, clarifications? So if we are going to give an overall characterization of Orpheus, so unsa man gyud? Kinatibukan ha? ASA? Devoted. Determined. So a tragic hero, no? A tragic hero, extraordinarily talented. Unsa pa? Deeply loving. What else? Determined husband and willing to risk his life just for his wife. So that is the character and motivation. That is the station 2. Okay, no more questions for the group. Wala? Okay, let's give them a hand. Hatagi siya hand. Huh? Okay. So,